say?
Thank you for my box.
Okay, you ready to see what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tell Mama, how do you spell Alexis?
A-L-E-S-I-S. That spells Alexis.
And how do you spell Matthew?
M-A-T-H-E-W. That spells Matthew.
Yeah. All right.
Love you, Mama.
Here, hold the camera and you can talk to her.
Love you, Mama.
Oh, here, hold it this way.
Love you, Mama.
Give her a kiss. And how about Papa?
What?
Say
What?
thank you to Papa for sending the box too.
Thank you, Papa. It's new Dora movie.
What do you think? Let's see. Ooh. Yep, you're right. It's new Dora.
You open it.
Wow, look at all this paint.
Stop. Yay! Get
Careful. Wow. You get to paint these.
Can I paint them?
What do you think?
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
Does that look...
There's red and green, red and blue.
What do you think? Do you like all this paint?
Yeah.
Can we make some cool projects?
And here's some glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Here's
Let's glitter paint.
Oh, that's some glitter paint.
All right. What do you want to say?
Love you. Bye.